chest. The iron giant slides in from the deep, cutting through the gray, marking the line, while the woman of stone stands on the ledge, watching the tides, watching the design. The concrete curve reaching for the sun. Beside the sculpture, the water holds its breath. The long walk here barely begun. Silent harbor, the steel walls wait, the calm before the surge of the swell. The breakwater behind, with a story that the wind won't tell. Just the ocean and the height, rising up into the fading light.